Hey, want to free up system memory by moving all your Nintendo Switch screenshots and videos to a microSD card? This is useful if your internal storage is full, or you want to keep all media organized on the microSD card. I'll show you step by step how to do it. First, make sure the SD card is properly inserted on your Switch. Then from the home menu, select System Settings. After that, scroll down to Data Management. Now on the right side, find Manage Screenshots and Videos. Select it. Now this works only if your safe location is already set to System Memory. That being said, select System Memory from here. Choose Copy All Screenshots and Videos to microSD card. After that, you have to select Delete All Screenshots and Videos in System Memory. Now confirm your choice. With this, all your screenshots and videos have been moved from your system memory to your microSD card. If this helped, then hit like, subscribe for more Switch tips, and comment which game you're backing up first. And I'll see you in the next video.